Okay, so today we're having a look at a couple of these new products from DEKS. So we've got a repair product here. It's a repair clay, and there's 10 different options. So we've got plumbing, copper, wet surface, concrete, wood, roof and gutter, steel, metal, aluminium, and radiator and exhaust. So we're going to have a look at this one. This is the radiator and exhaust clay. Now, it'll start to harden in 5 minutes and set in 10, and then a full cure in 24 hours. So we're going to open it up. It's a 1-part mixture, so you don't need to mix different products together. You just pop the product open. Take as much as you require. Give it a good knead. And then we've got an exhaust tip here today, and you can see we've got a little crack in it there. And once this product is kneaded, we're just going to push it into place. And that will have a full cure in 24 hours. Now it can be sanded, it can be taped, drilled, and painted once it's completely hardened. So there we go, nice and easy.